it could be defective chimney flashing, and water comes in through the chimney and gets in your house. So when you say I have a water loss, you're really talking about a wide variety of claims. So the first thing that I would encourage you to do is to figure out what loss you have, what are you trying to get covered? Because that's going to tell you how you're going to try to get a policy to get it covered. So figure out what kind of loss you have, where the water's coming from, and then figure out what you're trying to get covered. The next thing I would do is I would approach the claim that's going to be denied, as it's going to be denied. And here's why. And actually, let me tell you this I got a question the other day. I had a friend of mine who said, I'm buying a new house, I'm going to get insurance. What's the name of an insurance company that's good at paying claims? I couldn't think of any. I can think of claims or companies that are really bad, like State Farm, but I couldn't think of any insurance companies that were good at paying claims. So I would approach this, it's going to be denied. Go ahead and look at what policy provisions are going to be bad for you, which ones are going to be good for you. Identify the facts that are going to be bad for you, and then present them in the best light possible. Because that's presentation is everything. How many of you have had a water loss claim that was started off as a mold claim by your insured? And all you got to do is unwind everything that insured did, because it's not a mold claim, it's a water loss claim. Because what came first? Was it water? Was it mold? It's a water loss. And you don't want to be in that $10,000 cap, or worse, mold exclusion altogether. It's a water loss, you have coverage.